In primetime news this evening, stakeholders at odds over oil spill in Westmoreland.
A deaf community to be facilitated in remaining political debates.
And Prime Minister warns of tax burden on Jamaicans should PNP get into government. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Thanks, Janella. Well, lots of talks in recent times about tariffs. Guess what? The United States collected $22 billion in tariff payments from importers on Friday. I'll give you the details later on in the business day.
You know, that is an amazing thing that's happening in the business day. Spencer Darlington is also here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Thank you, Archie. Well, the organization that runs the Jamaica Premier League is set to go on the hunt for a new CEO following the resignation of the incumbent. We'll give you more details in Primetime Sports later.
And you know, speaking of, well, he didn't say sneaking around, but you know who's been sneaking around in studio this evening?
Was that Romain? Yeah, Romain. He actually made it. Here he is with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Yes, I was in before the lock. Now for tomorrow, we do have a tropical wave that we have been monitoring across the center of the basin, expected to be moving across the Jamaica area, so we do have showers and thunderstorms in the forecast for most places.
I can't make any words. Help.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, Archie, what's the feedback question?
The feedback question is, what question would you like to hear the political debate candidates answer about the economy?
Oh yeah, the political debates are on this evening. Well, you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.